Your password is the only thing standing between threat actors and your bank account. Big companies, they're not going to keep you safe, so this job is on you. Many recommend password managers for password safety, and 1Password is said to be among the best. But after years of usage, I have found a few things that are not mentioned in the ads. In this 1Password review, I'm going to cover everything you have to know before committing to this app. Oh, and if you want to grab 1Password at any point during this video, just keep in mind I do have the best discount links at the top of the description. Use it to get the best price. Being a cybersecurity app, is 1Password safe? Truth be told, it is often praised for its security, and I do see where the praise comes from. On your first login, the app provides you with this secret key. It's a 34-character key unique to your account. Without this key, none of the data in your vault is accessible outside of the devices that you verify, even when it's uploaded to the cloud. Everything is encrypted with this key. Even if 1Password services are hacked, which is already unlikely, the attackers won't be able to access a thing. Furthermore, this key is even required to log in on any new device. So even if somehow your account, master password, and even authenticator app get stolen, without this secret key, it's all pointless. This failsafe makes 1Password more than worth its money, in my opinion. Still, that doesn't mean that you get to ignore the master password and the two-factor authentication. 1Password supports both of those to safeguard your password vault. Talking about the vaults, 1Password's password storage can be segmented to your taste. For instance, I use different folders depending on the passwords that I keep to separate, work and private vaults. Furthermore, I can also share individual passwords and even entire folders securely through the app or the website. 1Password uses expiring links for sharing, so you don't have to worry that a link with your passwords stays online somewhere, and it's even more convenient if you use the family plan. It's easy to set up shared access between different password vaults and also control access rights between members. Everyone gets their own storage as well, so there doesn't have to be an overlap if your family members need their privacy. And if someone forgets their password, a family admin can even restore access from their side. So I recommend you try 1Password if you want the best password manager 2026 for families. You can check this link in the description or scan this QR code to get a discount as well. All the features that I mentioned in this 1Password review 2026 to this point is what I call passive quality of life. But just storing passwords is not how you use a password manager these days. Now, password managers have to be proactive, and 1Password definitely is. For instance, the moment that I try to sign up for a new website, the 1Password extension offers to generate a strong, unique password for me. I can even play with generation parameters to fulfill all the silly password requirements. And after that, the password is generated and it will forever then be auto-filled on this website. And this applies to every password that you've saved, so no need to copy paste anymore. 1Password also actively suggests which websites can switch to Passkeys. That's the passwordless login method tied to your device or biometrics. Talking about those, there's full Face ID and fingerprint support for Apple devices, laptops, and mobiles in general, which brings me to mobile apps. In my experience, these are usually the weakest part of any password manager. Well, 1Password breaks the mold here by offering the same streamlined UI and features on mobile as on desktops. The only con here is for complete beginners, so without prior experience, it is a little bit of a struggle to figure out how to use 1Password's secret key and emergency kit. Oh, and that kit that I'm also not a fan of. Sure, a file with your emergency details to print is marginally better than just keeping a document on your desktop, hoping nobody takes a peek. But, paper documents tend to get lost, so trying not to misplace them is the final boss here. That said, this is about the only downside that I can think of during this password manager review. The rest of 1Password's features are great. Take Watchtower, for example. This one is alert galore. Weak password, have an alert. Old one, alert. Duplicated, you guessed it, have an alert. This is honestly great, being the guy who kind of has to be pushed to fix my stuff, and Watchtower forces me to update my passwords or switch to Passkeys whenever possible. Furthermore, 1Password also keeps track of my email, checking if it has been leaked or appeared in a breach. So if that happens, I'm going to be ready to secure my accounts before it's too late. And being a travel enthusiast, I also can't sleep on the travel mode feature. Look, I'm against bringing my work with me when traveling, mostly for safety. So I just configure my work vaults through the travel mode and they go poof once I leave the country. no risk of losing my data along with my device when I'm on a trip. Oh, and yeah, they do come back once I return, in case that wasn't clear. Now, one thing that is very clear though is 1Password's pricing. Well, on average, 1Password is in a higher bracket than most password managers, which is why I do have my discounts in the description for both individual and family plans. Now, that said, even without them, 1Password still wins out over the competition in terms of value. The security, features, and comfort of this app justify the price. And if you go get a family plan, that's 5 accounts for the price of 2, plus all the family management, special features, and password sharing. So all things considered, the only downside here is the lack of a free tier. But on the other hand, 1Password offers a mandatory 2-week free trial. So you are gonna get a taste of the app before ever being required to provide payment details. That's actually kind of rare among cybersecurity apps these days. So what is 1Password? For me, it's a great password manager for security-starved users or people looking for genuine password protection for a whole family. 1Password excels at both those things. And in fact, the only type of users that it won't satisfy is those looking for an entirely free app. My 2 cents, don't risk it. Get set up and enjoy your security. With links in the description, it's cheaper than ever. And if you have any further questions after this 1Password tutorial, feel free to leave those in the comments and I'll try to get to all of them. All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe.